everyone, it's Caitlin here, and I am in Mount Holly, New Jersey at the Spellbound Century Bike Race, and I am so excited to be here. The energy is rising. These cyclists are getting ready to kick off in just about 4 more minutes for a 100-mile bike ride. Davis Honda is so proud to be a platinum sponsor, and this event is benefiting one of our favorite charity organizations, the Friends of the Burlington County Animal Shelter. We're so happy to be here today. Let's get this race rolling. On your marks, get set!